Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing pre-painted press-on nails. I have been seeing this type of nail lately more often around the internet, and I decided to try it for myself. This package is including sticky tabs. There's including as well 4 packs of nail glue. This is the brand over here, Joss Autry, and a nail file, a 100 and a 180 grit nail file. And the package is including 24 colors, and each color has 24 pieces, and it's going from sizes 0 to 11, so there is plenty of options in this pack. So let me open this to show you guys how these nails look. Lately I've been liking the almond shape, and that's why I purchased these ones. Today I'm gonna be creating a set, and I'm gonna be adding my own touch to it. This package is taking me a second here to open. It's very secure, that's good, so you won't have nails flying all over the place. And I finally opened the package, and now guys, you will see how these nails look. The finish is matte, so it's up to you if you wanna wear them like this or you wanna add your own touch. Maybe a gel top coat will make a difference. Some rhinestones, some nail art maybe. The nails are pre-buffed on the inside. That will be helpful for the adhesion of glue or sticky tabs. As well, on the inside of the nail tip, you can see the nail tip number right there for the sizes. So I'm gonna be setting up my stands here for the press-ons, but first I'm gonna show you all the colors that are included in this package. Some of these nails are transparent, and maybe they can be applied with gel like the Gel X system, but I'm not sure about it. I will have to try that system with the transparent ones, because for the gel to cure, the nail actually has to be transparent for the light to penetrate better and cure the gel. But for sure, as press-ons, this won't be an issue. And as you can see, there's a big variety of colors, and these nails are flying all over the place. They're alive. They're very slippery. I'm grabbing them with a twister here, and they're so slippery sometimes. They're just flipping around. But I do enjoy these colors, are so cute. I like them so far. And this one is the one I was mentioning that was kind of transparent, as you can see here, for example. By the way, do you have any New Year's resolutions? Don't be shy. Leave it on the comments. I would like to hear about it. I have a few myself for my personal and professional life, but I haven't written down yet all these resolutions. I think I have to write them down, make a plan to accomplish them, otherwise it's not gonna happen. I know it's gonna take a lot of work, but hard work is the only way to accomplish things. So guys, don't be shy, leave your resolutions on the comments. I will be happy to hear about it. Today I'm gonna be using 3 of the nude color and 2 of the white ones. The white nails are gonna be the accent nails. And I'm buffing the shine from the nail tips because I'm going to be applying a layer of base gel. Cure the base gel for 60 seconds, and I'm gonna continue now with reflective glitter from Born Pretty. I'm going to apply 2 coats of this glitter and cure each layer for 60 seconds. Next, I'm gonna be using a watercolor nail gel from Born Pretty, which is a blooming gel, to create a marble-like design. I'm just gonna make it very simple and very subtle. For the blooming gel, the longer you leave it, the more the gel is gonna dissolve into the nail, so you have to cure it once you're happy with the results. Next, I'm gonna be adding to the marble nails a touch of gold flake paper. I purchased this one on the craft store. I apply top coat after this and I cure it for 60 seconds. And the results are very nice for today, guys. I guess these nails are actually a time saver because you are not having to paint all the nails. And as well, you have different colors to choose from. And imagine if you had to buy all those gel polishes to have that big variety. I think in that part it works good, yes. And actually they look really nice as well. And just adding like a little extra touch like I did today, it made the nails nicer. I just want to say thank you to everyone who watched my video. Like, subscribe, and comment, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.